Let's unbox your new UC22 Ultrasonic Cleaner. Make a quick cut to the packing tape to open up the box. The product manual is on top. You can set that aside for now. Underneath the foam padding, you will find the product itself. Take the plastic covering off. Opening the lid will reveal the basket, the power cord, and the watch mount for the basket. These are all the items that come in the UC22 box. To get started, simply plug the power cable into the back of the unit and the other end into an outlet. If you are cleaning your watch, clip the watch mount to the basket before putting it into the tank. Add your items to the basket. Fill with water, making sure you don't fill above the max water line. Close the lid, select your cycle, hit the power button, and you're good to go. It's that simple. Cycles range from a quick clean, 90 seconds, to a full deep clean of 480 seconds. Thanks for your purchase of the UC22. Subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one.